2, 1, go. When you get up, that's when it starts to sink. You got to keep her going. Alrighty, guys. Rolling up on a little Kia Soul here. How you doing?
I thought it was all-wheel drive, but...
That's fair, that's fair. I can double check for you and tell you for sure.
Oh, really?
It'll have to have rear axles to have all-wheel drive.
You can get with this, or you can get with that. I think you go with this, because this is kind of...
Yeah, no, but it's just the front wheel drive.
Oh, okay.
So, what was your name?
Dan.
Dan? John,
Yeah,
nice to meet you. All right, let me take a look at it, see what we need to do to get you out, okay? Because he is going downhill, which helps.
Yeah. It's pretty hard packed, too.
Yeah.
You know what you said?
What's that?
Us in the 80s, we used to go over here and ride around like no problem. That's the thing I'm dealing with. Okay. Go ahead.
That is so funny.
I have a Jeep. I wouldn't have a problem like this.
Fair enough, fair enough. You know.
Stuck in the rubber. I have the picture. Oh my God, the water is so warm.
What?
We're from New York.
Oh, that's awesome.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, for us, this is...
Cold.
Yeah.
At least the water is.
Oh, yeah.
Feels nice out, but
that's cold water.
yeah.
You're gonna try the lake.
I know. I would freeze to death.
Yeah.
I'm not built for that. I'm a Florida boy.
Uh-huh.
All right, hold on. You have your traction control off? Okay, so what I'm gonna want you to do is keep that wheel cranked all the way to the right.
Yep.
When I tell you go, I'm gonna say 3, 2, 1, go. Just a tiny bit of gas. Just try and crawl it. You're gonna, if it moves, do a U-turn and just stay on the hard sand, okay? And then we'll go from there. If I can push you out, nothing. Oh, I appreciate it. All right, let's see if this works. You got time up with me, okay? Let me catch my breath. Give me like 5 seconds. Oh, that digging. Oh, yeah. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Heck yeah. Have a good one. Woo, woo. Bam.
That's how it's done.
Santos, this is John. Are you stuck on the beach?
John, super good. Yeah, listen, apparently my excitement to be down here, I didn't have a truck until I could fold and drive. I ran forward drive and backed myself out.
Heck yeah, you going up the beach still?
I'm going up the beach backwards, so we can turn around. I'm sorry to.
No, you're good. I'm all right. We've been lapping around today, so if you go up north, it's better that I'm out here in case you get caught up on that north end. I'll follow you up.
Okay, so you're
Yep, I came on the south end. I'm behind you. If you're going up north, I'll be behind you.
okay.
In the little red pickup.
You're all the way to the top. I'm on the bottom. I'm just like you back up on the top. I'm not be able to bring it down.
Yeah, if you can get your speed up, normally you can use that momentum to get them big trucks up over. All right, I'll see you.
Keep going north and keep going north and then
Sounds good. I'll see you up there.
By sheer coincidence.
What in the
She needs to not be there.
What is she standing with her legs on either side of it?
With the winch cable in her hand.
What are
Right
they?
next to
Are they just like having fun? Should I show them how it's done without a winch? She's pulling with the remote cable.
That's what I'm saying.
Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
That doesn't look very safe.
Oh my god.
I don't look very safe. We all have fun. Oh,
What's up, man? Got it stuck pretty good, huh? Yeah, it's soft, that's for sure. What was your name again, man?
Marcelo.
Marcelo, John. All right. Oh yeah, she's sitting on it, huh?
What happened?
I thought you were good. Is it tweaking?
Yeah, just.
Is it your gimbal again?
No, it's not the gimbal. It's the mics.
Bro. Has it cooled down some? You want to check? Cool down? I don't need you to help me a lot, but I'll need a little bit of help, you know? Okay. Yeah, we won't need you to work it too hard. Okay, okay. So yeah, we'll get it hooked up to the front with the rope, give you a tug and try and get you down there and you should be able to go. Okay, all right, sounds good. We'll work on getting hooked up. We're gonna have to make sure we time this up well. So you're gonna
I got you.
help me with that a little bit. If I stick this downhill, we're gonna get it. To be honest with you, I'm probably just gonna give it a good bump so I hopefully don't have to worry about getting myself stuck.
Yeah.
That's going downhill, that's the last thing I need.
Just gotta press it.
So I want you to make sure you're in 5, and when I hit, I should be giving it some gas. I don't want to get stuck down this hill, because then I'm going to have to winch. We want to get it out first try. So I'm going to give it a good little bop. I want you to try and turn that wheel this way a little. Can you turn it off? Just hold pressure on it. Once it comes up, you'll be able to turn. But give me some gas, and we should be able to get it up, all right?
All right.
Turned around, guys. We are back, baby. On the water's edge where it's hard, and get your speed up at the end. You should be good, all right, buddy? All right. Let's go. Who is this? Bobby Bradar? Hello?
Did you happen to see my message on Instagram?
Nope, I just finished your recovery. What's up?
Loki, I kind of need a recovery myself right now, if possible.
Okay.
It might be different than anyone that you've ever done, because it's in my backyard. It's been sitting for like a year.
Been sitting for a year. Okay, so it's not like an urgent thing. All right, let me call you back in a little while. Is that cool? I'm on the beach. I can't really talk right now. But I'll call you back in a little bit, or I'll message you.
Okay.
All right, see you, buddy. Just a little bit. Turn that wheel. Nope, turn the wheel towards me.
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands,
You tried to climb up. You got to stay low, big dog.
Yeah, I think the have one side.
Yeah, that one's closed. Yeah, you when you get up, that's when it starts to sink. You got to keep her going. All right, I'll get you going. I'm just gonna take you down though. All right, and if you don't mind with the footage, I won't charge you anymore unless you want to tip me. All right, big dog. All right, let me get hooked up. Did you actually get a good shot of him getting stuck? He was nailing it.
It's getting bad out here, guys. It is getting bad out here.
All right, same gig. Just give me some gas, but I'm gonna take you all the way down if we get it out. All right. Oh my God, nope. Hold on, I'm gonna need more tug than that. Holy dude, he was stuck in.
That almost broke my arm, I feel like. My arm just hit the meat pillar.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Those kids are hilarious.
That was awesome. That's a big girl.
That's scared.
Alright, be smart out there. Have fun. Is that the Jeep that swapped its axle out that's on A1L?
That's the one that swaps it out.
Okay.
Any final words?
Got him.